Alright, what's up you guys? I haven't made a YouTube video in a while, but me and my friend Daniel, we're going up to Rocky Knob and we're gonna go ride. My bike's a little bit dirty right now, but I'm gonna go wash it off just because it's been running a little bit weird. But as you can see, it's not like that clean. I kind of gotta flip it over because I got an apartment. I don't have a garage or anything right now, but anyways, I'm gonna go do that and then I'm gonna go pick up Daniel and we're gonna go ride. And I think it's pretty wet. It's all good. Let's go. The racing gate.
Dude, I don't know about this wooden thing.
I'm just gonna roll it, I think. I jumped the little one. I ain't doing that whole skills with Phil thing. Huh?
What little? Oh, the
little one at the
end.
Hey.
Pussy one that looked like two bumps in the road.
Yeah, that one. How about it?
All right.
Okay, so dropping into this first section of trail, the little water piece on my water packet kept coming out with a little strap, and I actually only ended up fixing it near the bottom, but I didn't realize it till later when I got home and I looked at the footage and there was all that thumping noises on the mic, but yeah, that's the issue there. Alright, I gotta catch him. How about it? GoPro is covered. Okay, so as you can see on this trail, there's a few sections where you're actually going to have to do a little bit of pedaling uphill, but there's more like flat sections and stuff, so it made the trail just a little bit more slow. But don't get me wrong, there was a couple sections where you were going at a pretty decent pace. Like right here, that was a pretty good sized double coming down that, and it actually rolled pretty good. So wiping all these times on the camera or whatever, riding right behind Daniel, there was a few sections where it was super muddy, so like I would just get all of the roost coming in behind him and then it would just cover the camera, so it just made it a little bit pain in the ass.
Hope I don't have a flat, keep going.
Okay, so right here where I passed Daniel, we're actually dropping into the lower half of the double black diamond, and as you can see, it's pretty leafy as it is right now, but it was pretty slippery, but we actually didn't get to ride the whole trail just because it was eaten out and stuff, but that's not really an excuse. But anyways, we're riding this lower half or whatever because it connects to the middle earth part, but it's a pretty fun section. It's a little rough, a little bit technical, but you know, there's a lot of fun lines. And right here we're dropping into the PB&J line, which is the lower half, but it's a pretty fun section. They got some good flowing berms up here and stuff, so you can just sit back and enjoy the rest of this video, eh? Alright, so it's getting close to the end of the video, but I'm just going to point out that you can see this pretty big gap right here, and it lands out pretty good, but I just want to point out that my friend Daniel looks like Sam Pilgrim. Comment down below if you think so in the comments.
Yeehaw! We're hauling ass at the top. The bottom part is too flat.